Maliban daw po sa pagsasabi na maparaan ang isang tao, nabuo po ang jargon na Waze, W-A-Z-E. And you know how the Waze app is so beneficial maybe to some of us. The Waze app would provide for us routes or destinations or ways in order to reach a destination. At hindi lang po ito ginagamit sa usapang ruta o daan. When one is able to get things, when one is able to find ways and solutions in his life, ways daw ang mga taong iyon. They were able to accomplish things because maybe of their resourcefulness, and maybe they were able to accomplish things because of their practicality. My dear brothers and sisters, today's gospel reading speaks about the parable of, or the story of Jesus between the steward and his master. St. Luke recorded that the steward squandered the resources or the property of his master. And as a result, his master wanted a simple, shall we say, liquidation or transparency for things to be well and balanced. Pero ang inaasahan po nating hayagan na pagtatapat o paggawa ay hindi na uwi sa pagbabalik kung anuman ang kanyang mga nanakaw o nakuha, kundi sa paggawa ng pamamaraan para mapagtakpan niya ang kanyang sarili at marahil mas maging mabigat pa ang kanyang ginawa. Maging mas mabigat pa ang kamaliang kanyang ginawa. He could have done some things to remedy his wrongdoings, but he did some remedies and ways to deepen his fault. He had the ways to say sorry and to return what he squandered. But he chose the way to deepen his fault. May pamamaraan sana siya na ikaliligtas at ikababalik niya bilang isang katiwala. Pero mas pinili niya ang ikabibigat at mas ikababagsak niya bilang isang katiwala. And we live in this reality, my dear brothers and sisters. There are ways to be holy, but there will always be ways where we can sin or we can be led to sin. Mga pamamaraan na masasabi nating mas ikadedehado natin, mas ikababagsak natin, mas ikasasala at ikapapahamak pa natin. And you know that the choice and the decision for us is very obvious. To choose ways that can help us, choose ways that can make us, and choose ways that can form us. Choose ways that will make you better, happier, and holier. Not ways that will deepen your wounds and deepen your sins. Totoo ang dalawang mga bagay na ito. Pamamaraan sa kabutihan, pamamaraan sa kasalanan. At sabi ko nga po, obvious ang pagpili dito. That we choose ways that will make us better and not ways that will make us far worse. As it is Friday, we ask the Sacred Heart of Jesus to teach us those ways, to choose ways to make us holy and free, to do good, to be honest, to be transparent, to be prayerful, to be kind in words and deeds, to choose ways that will make us better, not ways that will make us worse.